Hi guys, my name is Donna. I usually don't sound like this. It's because I'm sick. And ignore my coughing and my voice, even though it's kind of hard to. Anyways, I am in Slaying Squad. They're my best friends, so yeah. I want you guys to get to know me better, so I am going to do a tag. Okay, first question. What is your best friend's name? Whoops. Okay, wait, what? Okay. Well, I actually have a lot of best friends. It's kind of weird, but I do. Well, some of them live in Nebraska because I lived there for like 5 years. I don't even know. Their names are Marissa, Jessica, and Matresa. I'm so sorry. And the people who live here in California, where I live right now, are the people in Slaying Squad. So, second question. Do you sleep with your closet doors open or closed? Closed. Oh, yeah. I sleep with them closed. I'm a wimp. Okay. 4. Do you take the shampoos and conditioner bottles from hotels? Isn't that what you're supposed to do? Okay. 5. Have you ever stolen a street sign? What? No, never. 6. Do you always smile for pictures? It depends who I'm with. Yeah. 7. Do you ever dance even if there is no music playing? All the time. All the time. Woo! No kidding. Okay. How many people have you slept with this week? I am not a beep. Okay. 9. What is your favorite song of the week? I have a lot of favorite songs, but I'll do my favorite artist. It's Lana Del Rey. She's babe. Okay. 10. Do you still watch cartoons? What kind of question is this? All human beings should watch cartoons. They're the best. Okay, 11. Where would you bury hidden treasure if you had some? I would actually hide it under, I don't know. I would have to say a shoe that is sticked in the ground and you can never take out. That's what I would have to choose. I don't even know. Heels or flats? Never will I wear heels. 13. What movies could you watch over and over and over again and you still love them? I love scary movies. Wow. My sister. Okay. We're both sick.
I like scary movies.
Stop! Oh my god.
What?
You're so annoying. I already did. Okay. 14. Are you dating anyone? Well, am I dating anyone? No, I'm not. Describe your ideal proposal. Okay. 14. Are you lazy? Yeah. 15. How many languages can you speak? I can speak Spanish and English. 16. Am I stubborn? Yes, I am. Do I ever watch soap operas? No, I don't. do I have a nickname? My cousins call me Donna Cabana. Yeah. Ever used a gun? Yes, I have. I've gone hunting a lot of times before. It's actually really fun. What color was the last bra you bought? Okay, I'm not answering that. Does anyone know the password to your email address? No. Do you want any tattoos? I actually do want one across right here. Just 2 lines, something simple, but yeah. Any strange habits? It's not really strange, but I always chew my nails. What's the worst abuse you have done to your phone? Well, I told my sister to catch my phone, and I was upstairs, and she was downstairs, and I guess she didn't catch it, and yeah. What happened to you and your first boyfriend? He was annoying, to be honest. How old do you think you will be when you have your first child? Wow, these are really awkward questions, but around my middle 20s, if that makes sense. Maybe, yeah, something, I don't even know. Are you a risk taker? No, not really. Okay. What's your favorite thing about your crush? I don't really have a crush right now. Have you ever bitten your toenails? Yes, I have. I was little, though. But, yeah. Do you have any strange... I don't even know what that is. Never mind. Do I miss anyone right now? Yes, I do. I miss my mom and my friends from Nebraska. Because I live over here and my mom lives over in Nebraska. I get to see her this year, though. I'm excited. What do you want to know about the future? I don't even know. Okay, well, I'm done here because I'm tired, but I hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe and leave some comments for some ideas we should do in the future. Okay, well. Okay, peace.